Welcome. Today we'll learn how to calculate the approximate mass of potassium hydrogen phthalate, or KHP, needed for standardizing a sodium hydroxide solution. The standardization reaction involves KHP reacting with sodium hydroxide in a 1:1 molar ratio. Here's the balanced equation. In a typical titration setup, we'll add our KHP solution to an Erlenmeyer flask and add the NaOH solution from a Buret. We'll titrate until we reach the end point, indicated by a color change using phenolphthalein indicator. Let's work through the calculation steps. First, we need to understand that the moles of KHP will equal the moles of NaOH used in the titration. We can calculate the moles using the volume and concentration of NaOH. Once we know the moles of KHP needed, we can calculate its mass using the molar mass. The molar mass of KHP is 204.23 grams per mole. Let's look at an example. If we plan to use 20 milliliters of 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide, we can calculate that we need 0.002 moles of KHP. Multiplying by the molar mass, we need 0.408 grams of KHP. Remember to always measure your KHP mass precisely, as this will directly affect the accuracy of your sodium hydroxide standardization. Thank you for watching.